You know, I see these vape pens all over the place. People throw them away. They have lithium batteries in them, and they're primarily made of plastics. And vaping is viewed as something that is, I don't know, a healthy alternative to burning, you know, dried leaves or burning paper. But inside of these units is like a plastic mesh that's been submerged into, that soaks up the oils, right? The vaping oil is soaked up into a plastic mesh. That plastic mesh inside the middle of it has a heating element. So when the circuit is closed, when you suck in the air, it flips a switch basically. It heats up the element. The element heats up the oil, and then the smoke comes out and you inhale it. When things get inhaled into your lungs, you know, you got to verify this because I'm not a doctor. When things go into your lungs, they go into those little bulbs inside your lungs, and those bulbs have openings in direct contact with your bloodstream. So when you're breathing in, you're breathing basically straight into your bloodstream, basically. So these things are going into your bloodstream, and you know, it's gonna go all over your body. It's gonna go into your brain eventually, you know. But what's inside of the lungs is mucus a lot of times to try to catch a lot of stuff. There's hairs inside of the lungs, but for the most part, that oil is going straight into your bloodstream. Here's another one. Here's another vape pen on the ground that I found. Look, it has a little area here where you charge it up. And these are the two little vent holes that allow the air to come in. When you suck from this side, the air comes in through the bottom. Pretty big battery in here. I mean, you probably know this already. Some kind of microchip that shows the digital screen on it. This thing looks like a little mic. This is typically a microphone. I think this is a microphone. Or it's a piezoelectric sensor. So it senses pressure from the air from you sucking in. It senses pressure, and then it activates the heating element that's inside of this sponge. This is the heating element. So this is an insulator. This is an insulator that, you know, covers the heating element so that it doesn't burn it like a flame. It just heats it, right? So let's see if we can get this off. Okay, so this is the insulator. I hope you can see it. This is the heating element here. So you got two contacts going to it. Heats this up. What's this made out of? This can't be made out of anything healthy. Here's another piece here. This soaks it up and then it comes out here. If I blew, let me see here. Where's the pressure? Okay. If I blow on here, the numbers will probably glow, but no, it's not glowing. I may have shorted it out and broke it. I want you to see the smoke again. It's not smoking now. But that's the heating element in it. But this has become so cheap that you're able to just throw it away.